Welcome back to How To Knots. Today we're going to be tying the Ian knot, which is one of the fastest ways to tie your shoes. So originally you might tie your shoe like this, which is simple overhand knot first, which Ian knot does include, but then some variations of the normal knot are just taking a loop, wrapping around, and then under, the rabbit around the tree method. Or you might do the two rabbit ears such as this, like this, and then swing them around each other. Tie it like that, but the Ian knot is a lot faster and easier once you learn it because it is literally one step basically. So that was the Ian knot right there. It was that fast. So it starts with just the overhand knot. So we'll do it really slowly, one for you here. So you just take the left one or the right one, and either one goes over and then through the middle, just like how you would start any shoe tying. And then what you do is you take one hand like this and one hand like this, just to show you. So two loops. This one is hanging down on the far side of my thumb, and this one, my forefinger, is hanging off the front. And then these ends are what's gonna tie the Ian knot. So these ends are gonna come and just grab them like this, if you can see that, and then pull. So I'll do it once again. So it looks like this, and it's done. It's one step after the overhand knot, but we'll do it one more time really slowly. So the shoelace is hanging off of my thumb and then my forefinger. The thumb one, the shoelace is hanging off the back here, so just follow me closely. The front, the shoelace is hanging on this side, so opposite ways. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these tail ends here and we're just gonna cross them. So what it really looks like is I'm just gonna cross these tail ends, and the fingers that I'm holding the tail ends with are gonna grab the opposite tail ends. We're just gonna swap holding these tail ends. So I'm holding this one here. I'm gonna switch them right there. So I have them right here, these tail ends right here. I'm gonna switch them right here. I'm gonna grab them with the other hand, and then I'm gonna pull, and then that makes the Ian knot. So if I do it again, just make these loops a little smaller here. I'm gonna take these tail ends, I'm gonna switch them with my fingers here and grab them and then pull. And bang, we're done. So I'll do it one more time again for you. So tail end is on the opposite side of my thumb, and then the front finger is coming towards me. The thumb tail end is going away from me. I'm gonna make these little loops just over my fingers here. Then I'm gonna switch these tail ends from each finger and grab the opposite one. So I'm taking these fingers and grabbing this tail end, and with these fingers I'm grabbing this tail end. So switch, pull, 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 and I did that one a little bad because you should make the loop smaller. Let me do that one more time. So make the loops a little bit smaller, switch the tail ends, grab the fingers, and pull. And there is the Ian knot. You can adjust it, tighten it, whatever you want. So now, if we do it faster, to show you, you just tie your overhand knot, and then once you're done, you just flip them. Bang. There it is. If you like this tutorial, subscribe and like our videos, and thank you for watching How To Knots. We're currently trying to reach 200 subscribers. So if you could subscribe, it would mean the world to us. Thanks, and have a great day.